In this video, we'll create a simple PHP web application. Let's get started. We can write the code in any text editor of our choice. I'll be using the Google Cloud Shell text editor. To get started, in your console, click Activate Cloud Shell. You'll also need the PHP runtime installed. Links to install PHP runtime will be in the description below. We'll create a new folder. Hello World PHP. We'll open the folder as a workspace. PHP. We'll get a new terminal. We create a new file called index.php, touch index.php. In our index.php file, we write the following code. We create a variable called target. We set that variable to equals to get env, try to get the environment variable target. If that function returns true, we will set the variable target to that value. If not, we will set that to world. Finally, we'll echo out the following string, which will be hello $s, and that will be replaced with the value of target. That's all the code we needed. We can run this code locally using the PHP CLI. We can run PHP-S, localhost, let's say port 8080. Once the application is running, we can open another instance of the terminal and run curl localhost 8080. We'll see we get back hello world. In a future video, we'll show you how to containerize a PHP application.